Hey guys, welcome to Furniture Tech. My name is Mark. I've had a lot of requests for how to get started with furniture repair, what the basics are. So how I learned how to do it years ago, 23 years ago, is the burn-in oven. This is a burn-in oven. Heats up the knives, you melt shellac sticks to fill in the damage onto scratches or dents in wood. I'm going to show you different videos how to do it step by step. This is the very basic way to do it. So you have shellac sticks that come in the old style. This is like the old school way. Shellac, melted shellac, different colors. You can mix them together, make the color you want to. A bit shiny, but this is more for like a high-end furniture for antiques. I like these the best. You can also use burn-in balm to make sure you don't burn the finish. I'll show you that with another video. Of course, you have the low heat sticks, which I have plenty of them here. Low heat, of course, low heat, you don't have to have this hot knife to do it. You can use a butane knife. This is the newer style butane knife. Heat it up, turn it on, you light it, turns red hot. Lower it down to the temperature you want to do the burn-in. You can melt these together as well, different colors. Melt them together to get the color you want, the background color of the wood. I like this a lot. I use this every day for some of the newer finishes because, of course, some of the newer furniture, the veneer is so thin. If you use the hot knife, you'll burn it and make a heat streak through it. This one, I know for sure, if I turn it down just enough, I can do it, burn it in, the corners, the edges, it's fine, not a problem. I can match the colors, mix them together, works great. Same thing as this, but it's just a very old butane knife. This is a self-starter butane knife. I've had this for a long time. You also have the plug-in knife. This is a constant heat, which you can plug into a thermostat too. Keeps it at a certain temperature. This I would not recommend in a house. This is more for a shop or your own shop. Works great. Use it for years. Good tool. So we covered the burn-ins. Now, of course, you have the newer style burn-in. This is called the hard fill kit from Mohawk. This one is like a soldering iron. It heats up with the batteries. See the lights on? Same principle as a burn-in. You melt in the fill sticks to the damage, the scratches, the dents. Melt it in. You can mix them together, different colors, lights and darks, and black, of course, make it darker, lighter if you want to. Once you fill it in, which I've done here on the edge here, of course you want to use the brush tip markers first to make the bare wood dark, to dye the wood, to stain the wood dark, then do the burn in. Once you get it the color you want to in the damage, you come back with the file. The kit comes with the file. You can clean it off. Comes a little cleaner with it. You file down in. It works great. This is a great kit. I like it a lot. It's very simple, very fast repair. Quick burn in. File it down without using a lot of heat. If you don't want to do this whole kit, it's like $200 from Mohawk. You could buy individual colors, whichever one you want, like say a dark brown, a black, a light color. And you can buy this at Lowe's, which is a soldering iron. It's the same thing as that. 25 bucks in the soldering section at Lowe's. Do the same thing. You can probably buy, I know you can buy the file separately from Mohawk. I usually use a wire brush to clean it out with. It's a lot faster. Cleans it out pretty fast, but you can file down the burn-in. This is amazing. If you never used it before, I highly recommend it. It's a great tool for repairs. So we've covered all the burn-ins. Okay, so I've showed you how to use in other videos how to use epoxy. Check out my other videos. You'll like that one a lot. It's pretty cool. No one else really does that. I guess I came up with it. I don't know. Maybe not. Simple to use. Use epoxy. Use the wool lube to fill in the damage, the scratch. Touch it up. And of course you got Bondo. I wouldn't really use Bondo for a corner of damage because it's just not as strong as epoxy is. Alright guys, so we covered the variety of tools to use for fillers for furniture repair. Got the old school oven, burning knives, the plug-in knife, butane knife, and the hard fill kit with the soldering iron type knife to it. You can use Bondo filler, and of course I've showed you videos before with the epoxy and the wool lube, how to shape and mold the epoxy. So guys, if you enjoyed it, like the video and subscribe, and I'll get back to you with some more videos. Thank you.